This is Kyle. I'm Kyle. This is West 27th Place. We're here located on West 27th Street next to USC, 5 blocks away, 6 blocks away from USC. So very convenient. So this is our lobby, very nice lobby. And then we have the fight on, of course. We gotta represent USC here, very important. But yeah, over here, so we have 3 main rooms that we show everyone. So our first room is gonna be the package room. So all the residents, this is where they're able to access all their packages. So let's take a look inside. So the package room is accessed through Luxor One. So anytime they get a package, you're gonna receive a code, and that code is gonna grant them access in here. So let's show you a little peek. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. So there's the bins here, they're organized by the units, and then bigger packages are more down. And yeah, usually like the leasing team kind of organizes everything for them, and then any other packages that are not logged in here, it's usually in the leasing office, so we take care of that. And there's also security cameras over there in that corner and this corner patrolling your very precious cargo. So this is all here for the residents. And then we're gonna take a right over here. So this is our mailbox room. So come over here, we have our mailbox index. So depending on the resident's unit numbers, it corresponds to the mailbox number here as well. The leasing team is also responsible for sorting out the mail. So yes, we got you. All right, and then over here is gonna be our first amenity here at West 27th. It's gonna be our bike room. This is 24/7 access. So if any of the students ride a bike or if they have a scooter, perfect place to store it as well. So let's show you guys what it looks like inside. And then all the amenities, and including the units all around the building, is accessed through a fob key. So it'll show green when it's ready to enter. And here's the bike room. Yeah, so very huge. So we have all the space to put the bikes, and there's also a bike pump as well. So very convenient just in case any resident doesn't have a bike pump already. And then there's gonna be scooter chargers right here too. So residents can either place their bikes or their scooters in their units, or they could have it here. So why not just have it here? Like you want to leave the rest of your space for your other stuff, right? Yeah. So yeah, the scooter chargers are here as well. So if you don't want to also pay any extra bucks paying the chargers, that's there for you too. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna move up to the 6th floor. Gonna show you our next amenity. But yeah, so all the residents here, they love the amenities, and this is honestly my 8th week working here, and I love everything about this place already too. Sometimes I feel like I live here when I'm going to the gym too, so it's fun, very fun. And then also here, perfect example of all the resident events that we hold. So for April, we just had our spring swap shop. So we set up like our events probably out here in the lobby or inside, or sometimes in our other amenity spaces as well, like in the sun deck area too. All just kind of depends on what the event is. But yeah, so residents are never bored here at West 27th. Very perfect. Let's just make sure I actually call the elevator. It's just not for show. I promise it works. I promise. I promise. Right. And then also the TV there also shows like live schedules of like buses of when they come. Not a perfect example because it's not showing, but you get the idea. All right, so we're gonna go to the 6th floor. All right, so, all right, and then next up we have a rec room, very close to our model unit. So, let's take a look at what it looks like inside, shall we? Alrighty. So welcome to our rec room. Let me turn on these lights right here so you guys can have a better glimpse of what it looks like. So yeah, we have cafe style seating here in the rec room. You guys can chill, do your homework, whatever you guys want to do in here. And we have our egg chairs here as well. We're going to replace those egg chairs very soon as well too. Yeah, and then over here we have like our kitchen space where residents, you know, they can like microwave anything, put anything in the fridge. We also hold the resident events here as well, so if we give away free food, perfect place to do it because, you know, it's a kitchen. And then over here we have our lounge area, so we have the TV, right? Very unique looking. Very chic, very chic. And you know, the pop of color of the couch, very nice. During the daytime when the sunlight hits the window, it gets very nice natural sunlight as well. And yeah, the residents can watch whatever they want on the TV, as long as it's appropriate. and over here we have our computer room. Yeah. Very nice computer room. And over here as well, we have a meeting room here too. That one's first come, first serve. If you guys want more of a private space to study, very nice place to do it. Yeah, and then these computers again are 24/7 access, and then we also have a printer as well. The first 10 pages are free every month, and then every page afterward is 10 cents after. Then we have 2 bathrooms there for your convenience, and a very big whiteboard, so you guys can just, you know, do whatever you want to do in terms of studying. You know, when midterms, finals comes up, I feel like this is the perfect place to do it. Probably one of the most packed places where just students go to study. But yeah, very nice and very convenient for all the residents to have.
Perfect.
Cool. And we're gonna go to our pool area. All right. So it's gonna be our most well sought out places, especially during the summer. So over here we have our pool hours over here, and then also a nice table right there, you know, just in case you guys want to eat something over there. And yeah, welcome to our pool area. Yeah, so over here we have a very nice jacuzzi. We have all these tanning beds, all this furniture where you guys can sit down, and you know, all the different units facing the pool, so you get some very nice natural sunlight. More tanning beds there as well, and then this very nice pool, and that is where our TV is, but you know, that's under renovation right now. But yeah, this pool area is also being renovated very soon as well, so we're gonna add more newer furniture and all that good stuff. Yeah, and then we're going to our barbecue grill area. It's just kind of like an extension to our pool area. What's a pool area without a grill, right? Yeah.
Actual line premium grill.
Yes. Not the cheap one, the nice one. And this grill is clean every single day, so you don't have to worry about opening it and it's dirty. So thank you, maintenance team, for doing the best job. But yeah, that's there anytime people want to use it. And then we also have another table here as well that people can enjoy after they cook their food, all that hard work from grilling. And then probably one of my most favorite spots here at West is the courtyard area, the most quietest part of West too. So let's take a look at what it looks like, you know? Come on. So yeah, we have very nice greenery, and then we just got our fountain working, so it adds that nice touch to the courtyard. But yeah, as you could tell, like probably like one of the best places where you guys can like chill and read a book maybe. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
I love how you have created 3 different spaces.
Right.
Where anybody who is more tech-driven, they have those common spaces. Anybody who likes to chill, they have their cool spaces.
Yes.
And if you have a thespian here,
Yes.
they can probably pick up a book and just,
Exactly. Just
And
like,
Mark Twain.
yeah, just more like fresh air, you know?
Yeah,
You
I
just-
love that.
everyone needs that for sure. Y'all can't be just like enclosed in one space the entire time, you know? Yeah. And then speaking of other private spaces, we are heading to our private study rooms that's available not just on this floor, but on every floor here at West. So let's take you there, shall we? All right. So we have our podcast room, our study room, and our collaborate room. So all rooms follow the same layout. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in each room. So let's look at this podcast room real quick.
Love you.
Yeah, let's see it. All right, so this is our podcast room. You know, it has the grass walls, smells nice. That's a very nice touch. And yeah, very chill. If you want to actually do a podcast, you know, that's what it's here for.
Do you listen to podcasts yourself?
Sometimes here and there, I can appreciate a good podcast, you know, as long
favorite ones? Or any topic rather. Any topic that you like.
I think I'm a pop culture type of guy. Like I want to know what's like, I want to know what's in, like, especially because like I'm working with a lot of like people, you know, kind of around my age, maybe younger. So I need to know what's going on. What are these people liking, you know?
I like that.
Yeah.
That's a fresh take.
Right, exactly. And then over here we have one of our study rooms. And then before I turn on this light, people call it the Monsters Inc. study room. And then once I turn on this light, you're gonna understand why. Yeah, it's giving Monsters Inc., you know, it's giving Sully for the people who know their pop culture, their Disney. Yeah, very nice. And then over here we have our collaborate room. Okay, let me double check if someone's in there. Now we're good. All right. So here's our collaborate room. So a very nice private space as well. On this floor, it's gonna be actually our smallest room. Every other collaborate room on every other floor actually has a couch. So, you know, more expanded space for the collaborate room. So yeah, this is here for everyone to use. Is 24/7 and then first come, first serve as well. Yes, sir. And then I'll show you one last thing. Probably another thing that I enjoy very much here at West. It's a nice view of downtown, you know. Who doesn't like a nice view? I don't know. They're crazy if they don't like it. Thank you. I'm with the right people then.
You are.
I'm with the right company.
I was in LA Athletic Clubs yesterday.
Oh yeah?
And what a view is that?
Wow. Yeah, I love that. But yeah, downtown view. So West 27th view actually. So you get a very nice view of downtown LA, of course, and then all the restaurants that you see that are very nearby, and the church here as well. You know, it's very nice. I love a good view, so especially when it's raining, when it's sunset. You know, I'm hyping it up too much, but if you're here in person, like, you can see why. So, yeah.
Anybody who was thinking that it's hyping too much, it's not. I think you got.
So the model unit I'm gonna show is gonna be all over there.
Okay.
All right. So
We'll just shoot the hallway as well.
all right, for sure. Yeah, this is our hallway. We're gonna go to the 3rd floor. This is where most of our amenities gonna be, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. All right, and then, so this lovely unit is gonna be our model unit. This is our E2A floor plan, 1 bedroom shared. So welcome in. This is our very cozy unit. As you can see, it has all this nice furniture that comes included with for the residents. The side table, the couch, this table over here, the TV stand and a TV as well. And then we have all this like modern looking pieces on the wall, those mirrors, you guys could check yourself out. And then over here we have this countertop where you guys can chill with the bar stools here as well. And I mean, since we're here now, let's look at the kitchen as well. So yeah, all these appliances are available for the residents when they move in. So this very nice fridge that we have, you see all those refreshments right there. So you see how much space that can hold. And yeah, electric stovetop, microwave, very nice farmer sink. So you have all the space to wash your dishes, or you let your dishes sit there, whatever you want to do with the sink. And then the dishwasher. Yeah, that's what it's called. Alrighty, so let's go to the bedroom. So yeah, very nice bedroom, very, cute looking. So it comes with the twin XL beds, all this, like you see the very nice furniture, and then the desk and the chairs here. And then with every unit has closet space, so a little nice walk-in closet space. There's also one here as well, just to show an example of the shared space. So each person has their own closet space. Wow, don't worry, you don't. Nifty. Yes, they don't have to fight for their own closet space. It's all good. And then also with the beds, it also comes with these compartments. So you can put all your stuff in here too. And then right behind you is something that every student should need, which is the washer and dryer, of course. You don't want to have to go out of your units to just wash and dry your stuff. That would be very inconvenient. And then over here we have our very nice bathroom, very spacious. We have the toilet, everything that you need in the bathroom, of course. Yeah. Very modern looking, very nice looking. Yeah. And over here outside, if you guys didn't see already, is our patio. So depending on where you live in West 27th, you can face our pool, our courtyard. You could face downtown as well. You know.
Comes with the view.
Yes, if that's something you're interested in, that's something that we have for you. Yeah. And then we also have this very nice closet space. So, you know, where am I gonna put my vacuum? Perfect place to do it, or any other clothes that you need to put in here. So that's available to you as well. Yeah, so that's our model unit here at West. All right, guys, we're in our 6th floor over here at West, and then this is our beautiful sun deck area. So look at all the popping color of furniture. So we have these palm tree looking chairs, and then the couches right there with the umbrella here. We also have string lights across the top of the sun deck. And just to let you guys know, we are replacing all this furniture very soon. So we're gonna add a fire pit, and then we're gonna add like some tanning beds here as well. So perfect place for a sun deck to have tanning beds, you know, just kind of live up to the name. And especially at night when the fire pit is here, like what a better place to, you know, just spend time with your friends when it's like cold, you know, maybe just like get a little warm in the fire pit, maybe make some s'mores, you know. Very nice to do it.
I like that.
Yeah, very cool. All right, so we're gonna go down to the 3rd floor, show you the rest of our amenities there.